Hi, my name is Dasha and this is my new video about fashion and style. I'm very happy to be back on YouTube to have possibility to film this video. If you are new to my channel, then welcome. Or if you've been watching me before, then I'm very happy to see you again, and let's start this video. Today I'm gonna show you the clothes that I bought in Zara on sale. It was autumn-winter collection 2023. Unfortunately, this video might be not very relevant because the sale is almost over. I want to just in general show you these clothes and tell you why I've chosen them and how I'm gonna style them. So let's start. I hope you like it. First of all, I want to show my outfit of the day. It is very special for me. I'm gonna participate in a small shoot today. That's why I'm wearing this exact same outfit that I was wearing last year during my birthday when I was in Kiev. It reminds me of a great moments with my friends and family. That's why this jacket is so special for me. Also, I think it's very beautiful. It is cropped, retro style, beautiful red color. I wouldn't say that I'm a fan of combination of red and black color, but here my jeans are not black, they are dark gray. It looks nicer, smoother and softer, although I'm wearing a black vest here, but it is underneath. You can see it only sometimes. This vest is new. I'm gonna show it to you in this video, but it's very basic, just like normal black vest. And the jeans, I think they are also from Zara, but I bought them a couple years ago. And the slippers, of course, they're not the part of outfit, but I wear them at home all the time. And this is my small startup here in the UK. If you want to know more about it, you can go and check it on Instagram. Okay, so I want to start with this, I would say, outfit. I bought the dress and jacket and they appear to look amazing together, and moreover, I want to say that the original price of this dress was almost like £200, but all the clothes that I've bought today, they all cost under £200. So I think it was a really good deal. Let's start with the jacket. I don't remember the price I've bought it for, but originally it was £80. This is quite cropped, retro style black and white jacket. I'm not a big fan of the buttons that are on this jacket, but it's possible to change them, and I don't think that they are too awful. In general, the quality is good, and I would definitely wear this jacket not only with this dress, but with other jeans and skirts and maybe leather pants. And then the beautiful gray dress that is made from wool. The size is extra small and it fits perfectly. Here on the left side it is slightly folded. In general, very beautiful piece. For me, it looks timeless and stylish, as well as the jacket. Also, this dress can be worn on a t-shirt, for example, or long sleeve if I'm gonna wear it, for example, now when it's winter and it's cold outside. So yeah, tell me what do you think about this outfit in comments. I really like it. The second, I would also say, outfit that I want to show you today consists of trousers and this vest. Sorry, I didn't have time to iron these trousers, but I think they are beautiful even like this. So let's start from the top. This, I would say, mesh vest. It is almost 100% see-through. It looks so beautiful when you wear it without bra. For example, if I'm gonna go to the seaside, it's very possible to wear it with some silicone stickers. And the trousers, they are light beige color. The material looks quite glossy. They are high-waisted. They look beautiful from the back. It has fake pockets. Next piece from ZARA SALE, it is this beautiful blue checked shirt. I was wearing it for many times already, and it creates almost like a new outfit for me. This vest, black vest that I'm wearing today, also from ZARA SALE. This shirt and the jeans, as I mentioned, I think they're also from Zara. Here on the left side, the checked print is straight, and here it is a little bit turned, which is slightly unusual and looks great. It's soft, it keeps me warm, it's beautiful, and it was like £10, so I'm very happy with it. But next, I would like to show you these two black dresses. My goal was to buy everyday black dress for summer. See them first and then write in the comments which one you like better, because I'm not quite sure which one I want to leave and which one I want to return. So let's start with this one first. It is a mini dress which consists of mini skirt and blouse on the top. It looks quite smart casual. It could be worn on a business meeting or to the office. Costed before £56 and I got it for like £12. It has beautiful sleeves with black buttons, and the beautiful detail here is this, not a belt, not a scarf, but this piece of fabric. I'm not sure how to call it. Tell me in the comments if you know. I would call it a scarf for now. That can be worn like this. For example, one piece can be left in the front, one can go to the back. And then this second dress, it is casual, everyday dress. I wouldn't say that it is very stylish or trendy or anything. This type of dress is sold in Zara for many seasons. This dress is in the small size, and probably I should have bought it in extra small size because it is quite large in the waist area. I prefer it to be more fitted. It is like a shirt type dress. It is made of very thick but still very shortish material, I would say, if I could say like this. Tell me, which dress do you prefer? The next outfit is very fun. I bought it accidentally. First, I bought these trousers and I really like them. They are beautiful. I like the prints, they are very summery, but they are an extra small size and they appear to be a little bit too tight for me. I decided to order small size, and for some reason Zara sent me not the trousers but a matching blouse in the small size, and I'm gonna show it to you how it looks together now. I really like the set, but it is too crazy for me. I think I would probably return the blouse and I will have to leave these trousers in extra small because I think I couldn't buy them in small size now. As for me, they will look perfectly with black vest or black shirt or something beige like this or green, but in combination with this blouse it is just too much of a print everywhere, although it's not bad. Next thing that I would like to show today is this beautiful jacket. It is very ethnic Japanese style, I would say. It has floral print. Unfortunately, it's not double-sided, but look, it has beautiful print inside as well. I bought it in medium size. It's not like perfectly fitted for me. Small size would be probably better, or even extra small, because it is originally oversized. But anyway, I like it. I folded the sleeves a little bit and I think it looks very well. It looks great even with this gray jeans. This print is already very strong. That's why I would prefer to wear it with something plain. The last piece that I bought on ZARA sale is the denim blue shirts. They are quite basic, but I really like the quality and I like how they fit. They're high-waisted, great for summer. They can be worn with any vest or t-shirt or shirt. I bought them in the size 34. The price was amazing, like £10 or something like that. I like the buttons here, the color, great piece for summer. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you do, then please press like under this video. Follow my channel if you want to see more videos like this. I will be very pleased if you do it. And bye. Hope to see you soon.